Well, this is vehicular access field through here. To the middle of that, yeah.
So this right here, huh?
This. Yeah, this will be lower. That's the slope. That's the slope of the lower deck.
Okay. Awesome. How wide is that tunnel where the players are gonna enter and exit? How wide is that gonna be? Do you know?
No, I think it's about 12.
Okay.
So pretty much, guys, this is your section right here, right? About that, well, not about, exactly from that concrete wall to about halfway beyond where this opening is. Team tunnel right down the middle. This opening right here, this structure is the stage for the most part. So your section will go from the middle of that opening right on over to here. We're standing in the heart of it.
How many rows are there?
I believe it's 10.
And like you said, it goes right down to the edge of the field.
Yeah, so the first row will be 18 inches off the stage.
Wow.
So when you go to Robertson Stadium right now,